Welcome back to my product reviews. Today's review is about Keva Industries facial kits. Keva Industries sent me their 7-step facial kit. This is the kit and I really like the product. This has 7 steps in it. There are certain specific things that I loved about the product. First of all, the products are made up of 100% natural extracts such as orange peel extract, rose extract and aloe vera extract. Secondly, the products are mild and do not feel harsh on the skin, and also they penetrate very easily into the skin. Thirdly, the products are not very strongly scented and they have a subtle fragrance. Here's a mini tutorial on how you can do your own facial at home. So let's get started. Tie your hair with rubber band or use a hairband to keep your hair away from your face. The first step in the kit is the InstaGlow face wash. You just need to take the adequate amount of face wash in your hands, rub it thoroughly on your face and then wipe it off. Wiping the face wash off with a wet facial sponge. You can also use a napkin or a towel to wipe it off. Next step from the kit is the InstaGlow cleanser. This has to be applied the adequate amount on the skin and then gently massaged on the face for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're always going to massage on our face in upward direction because we want to lift our face. I have thoroughly massaged my face with the cleanser. Now I'm going to remove the cleanser with the help of the facial sponge. Done with the face wash and the cleanser, and I already feel like my skin is glowing. The next step is the Instant Glow Exfoliating Scrub. Scrubs are important to clear out dead skin cells and remove dullness from the face. Removing the scrub with the help of a facial sponge. The next step is the most important step of a facial and my personal favorite, massage cream. Put the massage cream on your face and go in, start massaging your face with wet hands so that the cream can glide on the face more easily. Firstly, we will massage our cheek and the chin in circular motion. Massage your neck using your fingers. Now make sure to massage on the sides and top of your nose. Now make sure to massage your eyes and your under eyes. This helps in reducing puffy eyes and dark circles. Massaging the forehead in zigzag motion. This helps increase the blood flow towards the scalp and regulates hair growth. Now massaging towards the jawline and the corner of the mouth. Massaging here in circular motion gives a glow to the skin. Now we're removing the massage cream using the facial sponge. Next step is the hydrating gel, which is absolutely my favorite product from the kit. Applying the hydrating gel on the face. After putting the clear gel on the face, I'll be massaging it in the upward direction, just like we massaged the massage cream. I've applied the hydrating gel on my skin right now and my skin feels so smooth already. Also, now I'm going to remove it with the help of the facial sponge again. Now it's the time to go in with the 6th step of the kit, that is the face mask. I'm going to apply the face mask with the help of brush. You can also use your hands. Also, you can put a little water in between to make the application smooth. Please make sure to not apply the face mask under your eyes because that can end up in wrinkles. It has been 10 minutes and now I'm going to remove the face mask with the help of the sponge. So the final step in the kit, step 7, is the InstaGlow toner. The toner has to be applied the adequate amount on the face and then left after massaging gently on the face and the neck. So I have taken the toner in my hands and then I am applying it on my face, my forehead, my neck and gently massaging it into the skin. So that's about it. That's how you can do a quick mini facial at home. when you cannot call a beauty professional or run to the salon. I'll see you soon with more product reviews and tutorials. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye.